NAG is a leading developer and supplier for equipment and solutions for the telecommunications, industry and business. One of the company's main product is a container data center that meets all the requirements of global security and uptime standards for data centers. We provide a robust container for a mobile data center made in our manufacturing facilities. Each production phase is accompanied by multi-level quality control, ensuring the reliability and durability of the container. Our company has many years of engineering and technical experience, which leads us to developing of successful tailored solutions based on model projects. NAG Container Data Centers are equipped with all the compulsory components of the engineering infrastructure, which ensures the durability and autonomy of the data center. Our own production of the majority of infrastructure components, branded as SNR, guarantees the high quality and reliability of our solutions. We offer the data center with all the obligatory equipment for no failure and secure operation. We provide technical and service support for 24 hours, 7 days a week for the whole year. Due to the contemporary and functional construction of container data center, it can be installed and launched within hours. Container data centers by NAG are a secure investment for the future.